Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we call in the energy of the dragon, breathing fire and receiving miracles. Find your seat or lie down comfortably. Let your body rest against the earth, the chair, the bed, whatever might be holding you. Feel the support beneath you. You don't have to carry yourself right now. You are held. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose, long and deep. Exhale through your mouth, a soft sigh. Again in and out. With each breath, let your awareness travel down into your feet, your legs, your pelvis. Feel gravity. Feel weight. Feel safety. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, thick and glowing, anchoring you deep into the earth's molten core. You are connected to the fire at the center of the planet. This fire has burned for billions of years. It knows endurance. It knows transformation. Feel that energy hum in your own body. Now bring your awareness to your back. Imagine warmth rising there, a heat, a shimmer. From this warmth, enormous wings begin to unfurl. Dragon's wings, ancient and powerful. At first they're close, wrapping around you, cocooning you in scales that glimmer like obsidian and flame. You are held, protected. Nothing harmful can enter here. Breathe and feel those wings curl tighter around you. A shield against doubt, fear, and exhaustion. Whisper softly to yourself, I am safe. I am held. I am protected. And with each inhale, feel those wings stretch wider. Out, 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 until they span the horizon. Until you remember how vast you truly are. Now the fire stirs in your belly. Place your hands there. Inhale deep. Exhale audibly, as though releasing smoke and heaviness. Again, inhale. And exhale with force, as if fire could pour from your lungs. Imagine smoke, flames, sparks leaving your mouth. You are breathing out all that you no longer need. Breathing out doubt and shame and exhaustion, the weight of other people's expectations. With every exhale, you grow larger. Your spine elongates. Your jaw sharpens. Your hands become claws. Your skin glimmers with scales of light. You are the dragon. Feel the muscles in your back tighten as wings spread fully. Feel your chest expand with power. Feel fire licking in your throat, ready to be released. Now stand in your mind's eye on the edge of a mountain. Below you, valleys; above you, stars. Spread your wings. Breathe in deep. And breathe out fire. Watch the flames curl into the night sky. Watch as everything false, everything heavy, turns to ash. You cannot burn yourself, but you burn away all illusions. Whisper, I am the flame. I am the dragon. I am the truth that cannot be destroyed. Feel the power, the fire, the knowing. Breathe in the remembrance of this energy. And now soften. Let the flames dim to embers glowing in your chest. Bring to mind one small miracle from today. A smile, a color, a breath that felt full. And let it glow inside your chest. Now another, and another. Allow your memory to fill with glimmers of grace, as if each one is a scale on your dragon body, shimmering with light. Notice how these small miracles weave together, creating armor of beauty, resilience, and hope. Every scale is a miracle. Every shimmer is proof that life is conspiring for you. Let yourself feel gratitude. Let it spread like warmth through your bones. Whisper, I receive. I trust. I am the miracle. Bring your awareness back to your wings, back to your fire. Notice you are both fierce and gentle, both flame and water, both power and grace. Feel your dragon body glow with light, not just red fire, but golden light, white flame, holy brilliance. This is the dragon of light. This is you. Breathe into your heart. Imagine your dragon chest softening, scales parting to reveal a radiant, beating heart. Even dragons are tender. Even dragons know love. Let yourself hold both, the power to breathe fire and the softness to receive miracles. The fierceness to protect what is sacred and the grace to trust what is given. Whisper, I am fierce. I am grace. I am the dragon of light. Slowly begin to return to your human body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And know this, the dragon is not gone. She lives in your bones, your breath, your heartbeat. She is you and you are her. Carry this into your day. When you doubt, wrap yourself in her wings. When you're tired, let her guard you. When you need strength, breathe her fire. When you want beauty, notice her scales, the miracles all around you. Take a final deep breath in and a long exhale out. When you're ready, open your eyes. You return vaster, filled, alive. You are the dragon. You are the flame. You are the miracle. Namaste.